I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach and MarineMax Yacht Center here. This is the new 2023 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage, and this boat is the platinum color package with the all gray interior. It is also powered by a pair of twin V12 Mercury 600 horsepower each. The boat will run just over 60 miles an hour, which is for a 20,000 pound boat is what this boat weighs. 11.8 is the beam on this particular boat. So welcome aboard. Here I am standing beside the two V12s. If you notice, they are running. It's amazing. You can sit and have a conversation with your friends or guests. On the back here, you have your diesel fuel fill for the upgraded diesel generator that's down below. You have your water fill. You have engine flush hose, which screws in right here, and then your fresh water hose. If you screw it in, then it bypasses the water tank on the boat. So on the port side here, we have a nice dive door here. Boston Whaler, again, remember, is all filled with foam. Look at the size of these hinges. You push in, you got the black rubber seal, and that locks it in. No vibration, but look at the size of this hinge here. Your dive ladder goes there. I'll show you where that's at momentarily. And these nice big fish boxes, you got two of them here that have their refrigeration system. The rear here, you got a nice bench seat here. This flips up like that. There's your dive ladder we were just speaking about. So it's completely out of the way. It's not you don't have to take it in and out of places. Over here on this side, again, rod holder, live well, has a divider, rubber seal, and clear on top where you can see. Nice door back here with, again, rubber seal where you can push in and latch there. Shore power panel here, or shore power plugs in so that you have power down below. This one's got an optional fold down seat right here. Again, you look at the size of these hinges. Also, this particular boat has the power awning here, so it gives you a nice amount of shade back here. Then it retracts all the way in. Allowing you access to rod holders. This rod holders here as well, so if you're fishing, you have a grill, you have a sink, we call the summer kitchen. Lots of storage back here as well. Drawers, again, rubber seals, keeps everything nice and dry. You have a big table that goes here. Again, this is all lockable access. Underneath the center hatch back here, your poles for your two tables, so you can have one up or both, and they sit right beside each other to make one large one. Nice step down here as well. Fuel filters for each engine, easy to get to. Strainers, all really easy to get to. The wiring, the plumbing on this boat is phenomenal. So you got here at the helm now, the 38 Outrage. You got three nice helm seats here. This one here also will go backwards and forward. You got armrests here on each side as well. Above, this is where all of your isinglass that we just spoke about stores completely out of the way. You can see the zippers here right behind, so when we're talking about fully enclosing this area, you know, you can use it year-round now, this boat. Above here you have your Seakeeper stabilizer controls, your Simrad VHF, along with your handheld unit right here, your Mercury V12 shifter, electronic controls with push button start right here, and your big Simrad screens here as well. So then we got chart plotter, GPS, sonar, easy to use, just like a giant iPad. You have your tide charts, you have your whaler access here where you can get to it. In the bow area, everything on the Boston Whaler, of course, finished out. Inside here you got your windlass, you have your remote control for your windlass, you've got wash downs, but the boat is finished off extremely nice, all non-skid here, pop-up pleats on both sides here as well, rod holders here for the bow sunshade, synthetic teak top here for the table, which also drops and makes a sun lounge. Lots of nice upholstery here, combing pads, so if you're fishing or comfort, you have 3 different removable cushions here, one which makes a lounge on both sides, the other you release this all opens, heavy duty hinges, all stainless steel trim, stainless screw heads, back caulked, also everything here rubber seals, no rattles on these boats. Yeah, on each side here you have the tracking here, so you have nice, easy to see why it's the thicker glass here that goes here on the sides as well as all the way down and around, so you can kind of enclose the main 3 seats there at the cockpit for climate control, air and heat. Full glass, you got an electronic actuator here for a vent window, spotlight here as well as on the back. You got a 48-mile Simrad Halo radar. Now I'm down in the cabin on the 38 Outrage. Nice berth here. Access storage, this will all come out of the way. Then you've got a nice little table there. It's really dressed up. Rod holders here. Windows on each side actually open. They have screens, sink, microwave here, storage. This has got the teak floor package. Shore power panel here. Access here to fire up your generator and your stereo main control. More storage here as well. Then you've got a nice heavy duty bed, mirror, teak flooring again. In the shower you got towel holders, nice vacuum flush toilet along with the shower wand, hot water of course. Thank you again for joining us on the tour of the 2023 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. For more information, you can go to www.MarineMax.com or you can call us on our phone number here at 910-256-8100. That is MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. And again, I'm Joe Jackson. Thank you very much.